What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as you can see, things have been going very, very well recently. We obviously had that bit of a correction the other day with Bitcoin rolling over and having a big correction, but it looks as though Verasity is holding support like an absolute beast. If we just go through what's been happening recently, you can see we basically formed our range like this. Pretty textbook range really that we formed. We had the big crash in May. We obviously lost our support here, which is now flipped into resistance. We come down, we form the bottom of our range. We come up, we touch that resistance again for the top of the range. We roll over under our 20. We roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. We keep rolling. We get the fake out to the downside of the range here with Bitcoin going below 30k. Everyone's saying we're in a bear market, and we get that huge pickup off the bottom, don't we? We come back up, we reclaim the range, we reclaim the 20. We consolidate really bullishly between the 20 and the 55. We pump up again. We have another nice consolidation, basically in between, what is this 1.5 cent to around 2 cent level. Have a nice little consolidation underneath this this decent area of resistance here. Looking something like this, decent level of structure. We break out of this, we come up, we break through our range absolutely amazingly. We run all the way up to around, what is this, 4 cents. We get a retracement down to around 2.5 cents. Basically retesting some support here. Near in and around the 20, you would say. We get another pump up to the upside, up to around 5 cents, and we get rejected again, another psychological resistance. We come all the way down. Obviously, we get rejected all the way down to around 3 cents here, considering that, you know, Bitcoin had that big crash. We hold the 20 really bullishly here, as you can see. The 20 is being held really, really bullishly. And, you know, we're currently just, you know, having a bit of a cooling off consolidation day so far. It looks as though we got a big pump yesterday for Verasity, taking it well away from the 20 moving average there. Currently trading at around, what is this, that 4 cent level. Looking really, really bullish for continuation, isn't it? You can see quite clearly, you know, Verasity is on a bit of a journey here. We did have a bit of a range that we put in, looking something like this. And you can see what's happened. We've had, you know, the fake out to the upside. We've come back inside the range, but we've held the 20 as support, and it's forcing us to retest this level. And if we do break this level again at around 4 cents with a good amount of aplomb, obviously we've got the 5 cent level as our next price target, and then the all-time high of 5.5 cents would be our next targets if that was the case. So basically looking at some short-term price predictions now, we've kind of ascertained what's going on here. If we do roll over, we've got the 20 as support coming in at around, you know, 3.7 cents. We've also got the 3.5 cent level coming in here at this little swing low. And we also have the 55 here coming in at around, what is this, the 2.8 cent, maybe 3 cent level at the bottom of the range. Very strong support as well if we did roll over. And then obviously if we do break out of here, our next price targets are the 5 cent level and that 5.5 cent all-time high. And then beyond that, if we throw our fib retracement tool onto our chart here, you can see if we just draw this from top to bottom, you can see we've got some price targets here. If we break the all-time high, basically in the next week or so, we've got the 127 coming in at around what is this, 10 cents, which would be a you know, a really strong psychological resistance as well. We've got the 141 coming in at around 12.5 cents. We've got the 161 here coming in at around, what is this, 20 cents. This is a 12.5 cents, 20 cents here. And then we've got a big 227 extension coming in at around 70 cents as well. And we do think, considering how low the market cap for Verasity is, if it does start to get a good head of steam up, we could be looking at some of these higher extensions fairly easily, in my opinion. I think 50 cents, potentially 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is probably fairly likely, in my opinion, considering how much they're constantly announcing. And, you know, if we do get one big piece of news along with Verasity pumping and its low market cap, you could see a really, really nice run for Verasity. Maybe up to around 50 cents to $1 would be our price target. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.